We're going peeps, flying this drone today. I have Von over here, the master drone man. Here's the drone. Gonna fly around the farm and see what go on. Yeah man. Take off. Taking off. See what go on. Lot of work today. Go on peeps. Ricardo Campbell out here flying the drone on the farm today. If you need real estate investor or investment, I work for Hosting Realty now. You can give me a call, 786-206-1544. That's the US number. Or you could reach me in Jamaica. Jamaican number is 876-376-1027. You can also call me WhatsApp. We've been out here from 6 this morning. We're going to leave early today. Just going to fly the drone around to see what's going on with the farm. Because we're soon going to be bringing some livestock here in the next month or so. So I'm going to start building the goat pens and the pig pen and the chicken coop. By August, we're going to start bringing in our first animals. Yeah man. Real estate needs 876-376-1027. Or your Florida number. If you want to move from Florida to Jamaica, I'll set you up real nice. Or if you want to move from Jamaica to Florida, Florida number is 786-206-1544. Yeah man. Later.